Welcome to our tutorial on the groove command. First, let's activate the groove command by clicking on it. A dialog window opens, which looks similar to the shaft dialog window. These commands work similarly. A shaft adds material to a solid, and a groove removes it. In the selection field, I'm going to select Sketch 2. We have an open profile right here. In the axis field, I'll select Vertical. Okay, let's preview. Let's reverse the direction now and preview. And here is our groove preview. Let's enter a first angle value of 360 degrees. Hit Tab and preview. As you see, I could have easily used the shaft tool to create this feature in the middle. Let's return it to 180 degrees, hit Tab, and OK. And this concludes our review of the groove command.